Hello, welcome to Maryville Chemistry Labs. My name is Gifty Blackson, and I teach chemistry and biochemistry here at Maryville.
Hi, I'm Tom Spudich. I'm a professor of chemistry here at Maryville, and today what I plan on doing is talking a little bit about instrumentation that we have in the lab. So here we have a liquid chromatograph, and we typically use this in our organic classes as well as our instrumental analysis class, and in the instrumental analysis class in particular, you can use this to analyze for caffeine in different soft drinks. This is our X-ray fluorescence instrument. It's a portable unit. And what it does is it allows us to analyze different soil samples or different paint samples, and what it'll do is it'll give us elemental composition. This is our Fourier transform infrared spectrometer. We can use this in organic as well as instrumental analysis, and we use it to determine different compounds that have been either synthesized in the lab or identify compounds that have been extracted. This is our gas chromatograph mass spectrometer. You'll see an instrument like this typically in CSI or NCIS. You can use it to quantify or identify different compounds. And an example would be in quantitative analysis, we actually use it to quantify the amount of ethanol in a particular beverage.
This experiment is an acid-base titration. So acids and bases are present in the world around us. Now, we always want to find out how much acid or how much base that we have present in every system, because you don't want your vinegar to be so concentrated that it will hurt you in the end. So the goal of this lab is to do a titration of acetic acid to find out how much acetic acid we have present. Now, the end goal, when we have you'll usually use an indicator or a pH meter. Now, the indicator that I'll be using in this experiment is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein changes color from colorless to pink in the presence of base. So the goal of this experiment is to start out with my acid and then add enough base until I get to equivalence point, which is simply the point where you have an equal amount of acid and base. After that, any drop that I add will make the solution basic, and I expect my phenolphthalein to change color in the basic solution. This setup is made up of a burette, Erlenmeyer. Now, using our burette or Erlenmeyer, all I have to do, after I have added my phenolphthalein, all I have to do is to pipette and shake until the point where there's a color change, and I should observe my pink color, showing that it's basic. Now, I can use the data that I have obtained from this to calculate how much acetic acid is present in my vinegar.
Thanks for coming on the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.